You're filming me, my defeat, my stolen battery. So somebody took the battery out of my Nodwell, and if you're watching my channel, shame on you. So I'm out here fixing everything back up. If you need to borrow it, you should have just called and asked, dang it. I would have loaned it to you. I'd have left the key in this thing if I'd have known you wanted it. Anyways, at least you brought the battery back. We just got to get it all tied back in. Get the winch tied back in. We'll be good to go. Probably go like that and that.
What's going on? That's not it.
This isn't it?
No.
Really?
No, we're over here.
Wow.
Does this one need a ride?
I don't know. It's not ours. Here, yeah, just follow me. They're
right.
about 3 dunes over.
Everybody needs one.
Everybody all right? Yeah. I'm yelling because I got my earmuffs on.
Okay, so Casey, this is Esteban. He's your customer.
Esteban, how are you?
Esteban.
Good. How are you doing?
Good. Casey, we're shaking hands nowadays.
Yeah.
So my question being is I can get your front end in the air. And what I probably need you to do is ride in there. This thing don't turn sharp, so we shouldn't have to worry about anything just hitting. But I think what we'll do is just get you up off the ground. You can keep this strap tight so you're not banging into the side of the machine and it's not rolling into the back. And I think we can roll that.
Yeah.
Get a statement. Let's grab a clevis so it don't come in hooked.
Good thing I brought the toolbox.
Amen to that. Gotta have tools. Hey, there's a cold drink right here too.
The very first dune, back up there.
Yeah.
So if anything goes wrong, I'll flash these lights at you?
Yeah, I might watch it.
That's funny that there's another can.
You know, we always joke about
Yeah.
this. When we're towing somebody out of here and they got, like, it's broke down and they got all their wheels and we're towing them behind and we got like a 20-foot strap. We have the $5 ride and we have the $10 ride. The $10 ride is hard and as fast as you can go and the $5 ride is slow and easy.
He's fearless.
$10 ride?
Yeah.
You should probably ride in the other.
He's got the funny thing is we got a rear. You see that rear wheel?
Oh yeah, this rear wheels, it's
It might fall off.
This thing doesn't go very fast.
Well, we can put it on his up here.
You want to ride?
You guys all okay?
No, you got pizza?
No pizza, no beer, sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah, we're good.
I'm
Thank
gonna
you.
wake you up, right?
Yep.
Yeah, if he can't do it, no one can.
Okay, cool.
We're gonna burn it.
Did he crash or something?
No, it just fell apart.
No, just,
Didn't it? Isn't that what happened?
Yeah, I think
Yeah, it just fell apart.
Wow.
Yeah, had a couple loose nuts or something.
I'm firing our mechanic.
Was it a loose nut behind the wheel?
Well, that too, probably. He laughs. He's got a good sense of humor. You ought to see him dance.
What are you doing?
Oh, you just ran over. I'm just re-looping it here.
Hey, let the man work.
You're all right on the A-arms, right? Underneath? Going under the strap and across? Pick it up like a cradle? I think it's probably not too bad.
Yeah. There you go.
His back tire's like.
Wheel out. Esteban, turn your wheel straight
To the
down.
left. Left.
Left.
Hard left. Come on, come on.
you go. You're straight.
Okay, you're not.
No.
It smells like that over here. It smells like that.
Smells like it show over there. That ain't no kidding.